How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can divide and hide wall in Planner 5D. Now, this is going to be extremely simple. Basically, you just want to navigate through your 2D model. And in my case, I want to go ahead and divide this specific wall right here. So I'll click on the add corner option, and then we could adjust this accordingly depending on our likings. So let's go ahead and also adjust this so it will go ahead and be this specific type right here. Now, right after, to hide a specific wall, you just want to simply click on it. And from here, you have this eyeball icon or the hide icon. So if we click on it, it will actually show up on our 2D model. Let's go ahead and navigate through our 3D, and then it will simply look something like this. Now, that's how easy it is to do it. And of course, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.